Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Barbie from Barbie in a fashion fairy tale and a dress to impress. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle, this one and also this one. For this hairstyle, you're going to change the toggle to back and remove the flower, and you're going to apply this color, okay, and combine it with this hairstyle. You're going to color it with the same color, and you're going to choose no bangs for this hairstyle, okay, and choose this one as well and color it the same and add this necklace and also this ribbon. For this ribbon, you're going to color it with this color and you're going to change the toggle to type 2. Okay guys, and you're going to choose the skirt from the world culture clothing area and you're going to color it white for the first selection and also the second selection, and you're going to change the material to glitter. But sorry, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. And you're going to choose the skirt as well from the world culture update and you're going to choose only skirt, and you're going to make it this color, this pink color, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. And then you're going to add the skirt, okay, and you're going to remove the layer and then color it with the same pink color, and you can add the skirt from the VIP room, okay, and I'm going to show you the color. Okay, just apply the same color like this and don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, and then you can put on this belt from the VIP room. You're going to color it with this color and make it glitter. Okay, just color them all with this gray color and you're going to do little adjustment. Okay, this is for the adjustment for the belt guys. You can position it like this, rotate and scale it like this. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and I think I have mentioned all of the items I have selected, and you can recreate this outfit by yourself. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Barbie from Barbie in a fashion fairy tale. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.